Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Well Stitches. In today's video, I am going to be sharing tips and tricks for you to make a gown as full as this. This is a kid's ball gown. In this video, I am going to be sharing tips on how to achieve a gown as full like this kid's ball gown. Look how beautiful it is. You don't really need to know everything in this world to make this gown. It is quite easy. So I'm going to be sharing what and what not to do when making a ball gown for girls. Look how beautiful it is. To make a kid's ball dress, you're going to be needing the shoulder measurements, the chest measurement, and the stomach. That's on below the chest, and then the full length. So for this gown, it's not a long length gown, it's like a short gown, like a mid length. So let's get started. The first secret is the quality of your net. You make sure that the net you're using is not too soft and not too strong. Use a net that when you fold it, it bounces back, just like this net. The net is what is going to add to the fullness. I hope you understand. So use a very good net. And I also use 4 layers for this net, for this gown. If you want your gown very full, you need to use about 4 to 5 layers, depending. So for this gown, I used 4 layers and I gathered it separately. So I used about 7.5 yards of fabric. So the whole width, I just cut it straight. So I divided that 7.5 inches into the four layers I needed, and I gathered it. And when I gathered it, I joined it together. I gathered it separately. So the width of one layer of net is 7 yards, and then the length is about 13 inches. So I gathered it and joined it together. That is one. Another very important thing in making a ball dress is you need to layer it properly. So I have this first layer here, which is going to be directly underneath the net I gathered. So you need to add a layer under it, and then I have another layer right under that first layer, which is where I attached my hard net. So you're going to be needing your hard net to make this to make this style. You're going to be needing your hard net. So as I said, you're going to need your hard net. For this gown, I used 1 yard of hard net. So this is because the total length of this dress is 25 inches. So when I took out the half length, I had about 13 inches for the down part. So that is why I used just 1 yard of hard net and 1 layer. So I have about 9 inches. I just used it and I pleated it. So when you're pleating your hardness, you need to take note. The way you pleat it matters a lot. So I did a kissing pleating for the hardnet. Then I added the other layer. So this is the second layer which you'll be adding the hardnet. You're doing this so the hardnet does not sting the child, and also to give it that to cover it up. Yes. So this is how the inside look. The first thing I did was to attach the first layer and the two to the main fabric, to the upper part, and then I use the second layer to turn it. So that's how I did that. So this is the flare. I added a crinoline to it. You're also going to be using the same fabric to turn it if you want to give it a very good finishing and professional look. I used it to turn it, and I gathered it and I fixed it to it. So it is quite simple. I almost didn't share this video, but I just thought to just explain the whole process behind this dress. So I also use the main fabric to also line it. You make sure that you interface it. Interface your fabric. Even if you're sewing for a little baby, you need to interface it. So make sure you interface, and while you're cutting, make sure that you're cutting your tool straight, because you're not going to be hemming the edge. So you need to cut it straight so it doesn't look rough. And I think that is basically it, guys. That's basically it. And before I forget, just in case you're making a ball gown that is a bit longer, then you're going to need more than 1 layer of hard net. So what you're going to do is, after your first layer of hard net, you're going to measure 2 inches and then do another pleat on it. So you're going to be needing more hard net. Do you get? So you're going to do about 3 layers, depends on how long your gown is to accommodate the net. So that this is how it looks, looking very clean. This is the back. So I untacked my applique when I was done. I didn't use glue because I didn't want it to stain the white. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one.